In this video, we're going to learn a little bit more about repeating patterns. So if we have a problem like this that says, what row comes next in the pattern? And we could see a diamond and a circle, 2 diamonds in a circle, 3 diamonds in a circle, 4 diamonds in a circle. So the first thing to do is count the number of diamonds in each row. And let's do that. So there's 1 in this row. Then the next row has 2 diamonds before the circle. The next row has 3 diamonds before the circle. And the next row has 4 diamonds before the circle. So we need to figure out what row comes next. So I'm pretty sure because it's just increasing by 1, the next row will have 5 diamonds before the circle. So the pattern would look like this. This is the next pattern. 5 diamonds in 1 circle. And if you need more practice on this, if you look in the description, I have links to other videos of mine that I've done that are similar to this. And don't forget, practice makes improvement. I also have an ebook. You can check that out and download it, and you can follow along with the ebook.